So here we are in beautiful Chino, California. We have 10 helical piers that we're installing. No lift, we're just stabilizing. This home has been experiencing a little bit of settlement due to improper drainage. Been having a lot of pooling and stuff on the back side and going around the corner. He has contacted a landscaper and will be putting in some drainage, and he's going to do some landscaping so it'll pitch down. Water can be the biggest enemy when dealing with your home. You want to make sure that there's no pooling, that you have proper drainage. If you don't, then you're going to have to call us or somebody like us, hopefully us, if you want it done the best way and right. So with that being said, we're just addressing the settlement and to prevent any future settlement by stabilizing. We got 10 piers going around based off of the elevations taken with our zip levels, and no lift on this particular project. There was some new flooring done on the inside, and they kind of want to not mess that up per se due to what could happen if we had to put polymer or we had to lift and do some void filling. So with that being said, we have all 10 piers in. This project started on Monday. Today's Wednesday. I have city inspection scheduled for tomorrow. I'm also in contact with my special inspector who's doing his report right now, so that hopefully we can get finalized at backfill inspection tomorrow and get this job wrapped up for this homeowner and get on to the next one.